Welcome to Laff Therapy's Mental Health Virtual Car Show Series. I'm your host with the most, KJ Cali swinging, aka the Laff Coach, where we will be utilizing the psychological and the physiological advantages of laughter to improve one's mental health. Let's get this car show cracking, man. I tell jokes, you laugh when you see my style and debonairish qualities. My jokes are always right on time, cause I set up the premise and the punchline. I was home chilling with this girl named I told her a joke about a fish and a dam. Once I heard her laugh, I knew it was on. Uh-oh, that was my phone. Of course, I ignored it. What would you do? I'm about to do the horizontal boogaloo. Hello, who is it? The voice just said, serious laugh business. I told Pam, but I gotta do what I gotta. She said no, right then and there I shot. Big shout out to Big Rat, the First Lady, and all the supernaturals throughout the United States, Germany, Australia, and Japan, man. Our nation has been rocked with bigotry, misinformation, aka lies, and negativity. We must fight this with laughter because it's detrimental to our society's culture, humanity as a whole, and our mental health. Ready to laugh? Here's a joke for you. What happened to the frog that parked his car illegally? He got towed! Laughter increases natural killer cell levels, a type of white blood cell that attacks cancer cells. Yeah, laughter's good for you, man. It's medicine. Laugh! Gotta give a big shout out to Dulo. Boy, look at all that. Damn. Laff Therapy teaches you the technique of mindfulness. That's right, mindfulness. Where are you at right now in your mind? How's your relationship at home? How's your relationship with your family? How's your relationship with your job? Don't ruminate or focus on negativity. Don't focus on loss or catastrophe. Don't focus on what you can't do or what you think you can't do. Negative emotions and negative thoughts lead to negative outcomes. Don't worry about, I should be further along. Don't worry about everybody's hating on me. Think positive, man. Mindfulness. Laugh therapy. Here's a riddle for you. Which month has 28 days? All of them. Laugh therapy will help you with your shyness, your stress, anxiety, depression, panic attacks, and more. Just tune into my YouTube page, leave a comment, and keep laughing. How about a joke, man? What do you call a dinosaur fart? A blast from the past. You know, laughing is considered inner body fitness. Inner body fitness. That's right, you're exercising your abdominals when you laugh. You can get a six-pack from laughing, man. Laughter also helps to prevent blood clots. It helps lower blood pressure, and it relieves stress. Shout out to my main man, Dooley. What's up, Dooley? Shout out to all my lowriders in Japan. Again, Kriska. Shout out to my lowrider brothers in Germany. Hallo, guten Tag, auf Wiedersehen. Can't forget my buddies like Cam out there in Australia. Good day, mate. Laughter is a great motivational tool. It improves your cardiovascular system. It improves your respiratory system. It aids in the immune system. It elevates moods. It mitigates the effects of depression. Who wanna get high with me, man? Puff, puff, laugh, laugh. That's right, man. Laughter releases endorphins that are chemically released from the brain. Those are the feel-good hormones, man. Did you know that kids suffer from stress too? Yeah, man, here, tell your kids a joke. Why did the tomato turn red? Because he saw salad dressing. therapy requires self-care. Self-care. Taking care of oneself. Are you getting plenty of sleep? Plenty of exercise? Are you eating well? Eat good food. Eat green vegetables, man. That's right. Laff therapy requires that you take care of yourself. Now let's listen to this Goo-Goosh remix. Check it. Check, rappers do that. Check it, check it, check it. I tell jokes, you laugh when you see my style and debonairish qualities. Laff therapy. They be hating on me. Rappers got haters. I'm rapping. Thanks for watching. Be sure and subscribe, leave a comment, and laugh daily.